Suppose you want to experience the latest and greatest technology. In that case, you definitely need to be there at CES because for more than 50 years, CES has been a global stage for innovation and it'll continue to be that way for the foreseeable future. The second day of CES 2022 has passed, and you might have missed out on some of the exciting launches of the second day of CES, which is why in this video we will discuss some of the best devices we could find during the second day of CES 2022. So stick to the end of the video to know a lot more. But before we begin, you're watching Robot Future. We also have a series of videos planned for CES 2022, so if that's something that interests you, now's the time to be a part of this community by subscribing to our channel for more content just like this one and turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Okay, with all that done, let's get started. 5. LG and its robotic feature. Humanoid robots that help you out with your day-to-day boring tasks have always been a part of science fiction, and also a part of so many concepts during CES every year. But it looks like LG is very serious this time because LG's 2022 CES announcement mainly focused on artificial intelligence and smart deployment to improve lives both inside and outside the home. The company revealed several robots for deployment in various scenarios like deliveries and house cleaning, as well as futuristic vehicles with meta screens. Even Hyundai is betting big on robotics, but LG stands out with a robotic lineup that can do a variety of tasks. First, we need to talk about the Chloe Guidebot, which was shown directing guests. This Guidebot has got numerous potentials, especially in conferences and retail applications. The bot comes with a decent-sized screen and can display advertisements, and the bot will also be able to navigate guests. The Guidebot also comes with speech recognition technology along with touch interaction. But LG did not stop there. LG also unveiled their Chloe ServeBot, and this one is quite interesting because it'll be serving drinks and snacks to your guests. The main application of these hospitality robots would be in public places like restaurants, hospitals, and office buildings. And these bots are completely autonomous, so you don't need anybody. LG also showed off their door-to-door delivery robot, which brings packages to people, and this makes a lot of sense because online shopping is a big thing right now, and most of our purchases include a lot of packages. The LG bot comes with a four-wheeled unit that can run both indoors and outdoors, and during the press conference, the robot was shown dynamically navigating through various terrains, including snow and stairs. But the biggest announcement from LG happens to be their futuristic Omnipod, which happens to be a completely futuristic mobility concept, which will bring your entire house into a car. This one happens to be a four-wheeled car with a lot of appliances, including a sizable meta environment screen along with an innovative dashboard display. 4. Autobots. Since our channel covers mostly robotics and artificial intelligence, we couldn't resist not to include more robots, which is why we're including the robotic startup Autonomy because the company did announce a fleet of autonomous robots that are designed to work both indoors and outdoors, especially for restaurants and retail delivery. The Autobots are being introduced for the very first time at CES 2022. But Autonomy has very recently signed deals with CVG Airport in Cincinnati, Ohio, and restaurant automation vendor Presto to use the Autobots in future operations. The COVID-19 pandemic only accelerated our dependence on door-to-door deliveries, which is why robots like Autobots make a lot of sense because fully autonomous delivery will be the next big thing for delivery services and last-mile deliveries. At least that's what the CEO of Autonomy, Rideker Vijay, thinks about autonomous robots. The robots will be fully autonomous, and on top of that, these robots from Autonomy will be the first fully autonomous delivery robots at an airport, and the robots will also be used to deliver retail and food items to consumers throughout the airport. Presto will be using these robots to deliver food ordered from their partner restaurants to consumers, and then we have Crave, which happens to be a last-mile delivery service that is also partnering up with the Autonomy for future businesses. The way these robots work is by creating a digital map of the entire area and localizing within that map. The location keeps getting updated on the map as it navigates daily, and all of these processes are completely autonomous. These Autobots come with integrated navigation software to navigate through crowded and unpredictable environments. The company is planning to roll out more robots in 18 months, and let's see how that ends up. 3. Novetto N1 Soundbar. Okay, we get it. We already got two robots, so let's go with something that you might find interesting. How about a soundbar? Wait, what is exciting about a soundbar? Well, this soundbar is interesting because it's got really big claims. Traditionally, headphones are really great at keeping yourself entertained without bothering anyone else around. But again, they're not the perfect solution. Earbuds can be very uncomfortable for long listening sessions, and not everybody can afford the higher-end headphones just to listen to music. But what if you have the ability to listen to music privately without any headphones at all? That's exactly where the Novetto N1 soundbar wants to help you out. This Israeli tech company's device looks a little like a soundbar. Soundbars are usually meant to fill a room with audio, but this is not what Novetto is doing with their products. Novetto claims that it can transmit ultrasound waves through the air and place it near your ear, giving you a private listening experience that shouldn't be bothering you, your co-workers, or even your roommates. We don't know about the pricing for the Novetto N1 soundbar, but what we know is that the Novetto soundbar or soundbar-looking wireless transparent headphones are supposed to launch sometime in 2022. The face tracking tech that comes with this soundbar-looking device is what allows the sound to adjust to your head movements, which means that you're technically getting three-dimensional audio. It can also connect to devices via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, or the good old 3.5mm headphone jack. 2. Labrador Retriever Robot. Okay, we promised this is the last robot on our list, but this is a really exciting one too, which is why it made it onto our list. This is a sleek-looking autonomous mobile robot called the Retriever from the Labrador systems, and robots like these might be a common sight in logistics centers and manufacturing. This Labrador Retriever will change everything because nothing in our life is certain. We can definitely have health problems that might even compromise the way we move, which will have a major impact on our independence, quality of life, and our overall health. This is exactly why Labrador Systems developed the Retriever, which is meant to help physically challenged people bridge some of the gap and empower individuals to be more active and do more things all by themselves. The entire system can be controlled using a screen, voice, or using a mobile app, and this robot is just like having a personal assistant. And because it can respond to certain pre-programmed reminders like delivering prescribed objects at the right time. The system is completely autonomous and guides itself using proprietary navigation systems and algorithms from augmented reality cameras to create 3D maps of the homes. The Labrador system is also working with senior living communities, occupational therapists, and home health providers to explore more ways to support their mission. 1. A color-changing BMW. Well, BMWs are supposed to be fun to drive, fast vehicles, and this year at CES 2022, BMW revealed a host of futuristic technologies. But the most eye-catching one is definitely that color-changing car. The German carmaker is all about combining creativity and digitalization to produce great moments for drivers and passengers. But it looks like BMW is taking that step further with the BMW iX Flow featuring e-ink. And this is the first car in the world whose exterior color can change at the touch of a button. By changing the color of the car, BMW is taking personalization to the next level. BMW states that changing color can make the car more efficient by taking into account how light and dark colors will reflect sunlight and absorption of thermal energy. During a hot climate, a white surface is known for reflecting more sunlight than a black one. On the other hand, in cooler climates, a dark color will absorb more warmth from the sun, keeping the cabin warm. So selective color changes can help cut the amount of cooling and heating required from the vehicle's air conditioning system. There's no confirmed production date yet, and this might not even come out of its prototype phase. Okay, so that's a wrap for today's video. Which other products did you find exciting? Do let us know by leaving a comment down below because we'd love to hear from you all. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more CES related content just like this one, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified whenever we upload a brand new video. That's about it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and we'll meet again in the very next video. So stay tuned for all the CES 2022 updates.